Assalamu alaikum and Tatu Gabriel. Ashi history, new empires and kingdoms solved questions. Question chicken. What does the prophecy of Samudragupta tell us about him? Answer. The prophecy of Samudragupta tells us that he was a great warrior. He had won so many battles. It also tells us that he was a learned man and had poetic talent. He was considered equal to the goddess. Question number 0. What do you know about Aihole? Answer. Aihole was the capital of Chalukyas. It was so important center of trade. There were so many temples in Aihole which made it important religious center. Question number 3. What do you know about rulers of Aryavarta? Answer. The Aryavarta was an important kingdom of India. Kanauj, Mathura, Prayaga, Patliputra and Nalanda were its important cities. 9 different kings were ruling there. Samudragupta defeated them all and made this kingdom a part of his empire. Question number 4. How do you get to know that Samudragupta was a musician? Answer. Samudragupta was a great musician. We came to know about this talent of him by his coins. Some of his coins show him playing a lyre, which proves that he was fond of music. Question number 5. Name 2 learned people who belonged to Samudragupta's court. Answer. Kalidas, the poet, and Aryabhat, the mathematician and astronomer. These were the questions of the new empire and kingdoms solved. Please keep it in mind and copy these questions and then answer and then remember whatever they need to give you their answers in the examination. Gabriel, yim ٲسۍ اَمہِ lesson کینٛہہ سوال تہٕ یِم کٔرۍزیو کاپی پٮ۪ٹھ نوٹ تہٕ پَتہٕ کٔرِوکھ یاد کیٛازِ یِم ما ہٮ۪کَن تُہٕنٛدِس ایگزامَس منٛز تۄہہِ یِتھ تہٕ تُہۍ ہیٚکِو یِمَن جواب دِتھ. باقٕے شُکریہ.